Start up the 2000 3.5-ton carrier. Okay, there we go. It's starting up. It's running. The good old Bristol fired right up. It's got a Bristol Reciprocating compressor. If you don't watch the other video. Pretty noisy, but it works absolutely wonderful. There's the neighbor's unit. And it was set at 78 and set at 77. Or no, set at 77 and now I bumped it to 75. So let's go see how it's doing. It's right over there. That carrier's kind of loud. Over there. It makes a rattling noise. This one's louder though. Actually no, this one is because of that rattling noise. Coils are clean. My aunt maintains it well. It's got a mill bank disconnect, and the lines are starting to sweat. Suction line's sweaty, and the liquid line is room temperature, so good subfluid. Pink peonies. Right there. They're dying off, unfortunately, but I wish peonies lasted year-round, I guess. So yeah, there it is. There it is. My aunt's house, though, is bigger than that one. Let's go see how it's doing. Blowing out ice cubes. Unsure of how many supplies there are in this house. We'll find out. I'll be back. Hi, Kyan. Hi, buddy. One of 4 cats. My aunt's cat. This is Kyan. He's almost a year. Actually, he's over a year old. Here's the thermostat set to 75. No delay. It's original base model thermostat. And here's one of the returns. I think there's 5. Let's see. One in each of the bedrooms and the basement. There's 6 returns. Here's a quick shot of its partner, the Carrier 100,000 BTU 2000 furnace. Works good. It works great. It has a good install. This gas could be better, but I mean, it's pretty good. Good access and everything. It's kind of loud, but it works great. Gets the job done.